So, the future is now, and it walks on two legs. Today, we're throwing down the ultimate robot throwdown, pitting the Kepler Bot against the Tesla Bot in an epic battle for AI supremacy. We'll compare their strength, speed, and agility to see who's the real powerhouse. What tasks will these bots tackle? From factory floors to our living rooms, we'll explore their potential impact on our lives. Which robot will reign supreme? Join us on this electrifying journey to find out. The Kepler Bot is a humanoid robot developed by Kepler Robotics, a Chinese company that specializes in robotics and AI. The Kepler Bot is designed to operate in hazardous environments, such as nuclear plants, mines, and disaster zones. It boasts exceptional precision, robust strength, intelligent control, and unparalleled hand dexterity, making it a strong competitor in the robotics industry. The Kepler Bot's self-developed nebula system and high computing motherboard make it capable of 3D modeling and visual recognition, enabling profound perception of the surrounding environment. The Kepler Bot can also perform complex tasks such as welding, drilling, and assembling with ease and accuracy. The Kepler Bot is not only a skilled worker, but also a smart agent. It is designed to achieve precise navigation movement and task execution autonomously, challenging the capabilities of the Tesla Bot. The Kepler Bot's AI can recognize surrounding objects, faces, and movements and detect and track targets with high precision. The Kepler Bot can also sense changes in the environment and make timely adjustments, such as avoiding obstacles, switching tools, and communicating with humans. The Tesla Bot is a humanoid robot announced by Tesla, the electric vehicle and clean energy company led by Elon Musk. The Tesla Bot is intended to be a general-purpose robot that can perform tasks that are boring, repetitive, or dangerous for humans. It is expected to be friendly, helpful, and easy to interact with. The Tesla Bot is based on the same technologies that power Tesla's vehicles, such as the full self-driving computer, the autopilot cameras, and the neural network software. The Tesla Bot can leverage these technologies to navigate complex and dynamic environments and learn from human feedback and demonstration. The Tesla Bot is also designed to be physically capable, but not overpowering. It has a height of 5 feet 8 inches, a weight of 125 pounds, and a speed of 5 miles per hour. It has 2 arms, 2 legs, a head, and a screen that displays useful information. It can carry up to 45 pounds, lift up to 150 pounds, and manipulate objects with its hands. The Tesla Bot is not only a versatile helper, but also a visionary project. It is part of Tesla's mission to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy and to create a multi-planetary civilization. The Tesla Bot could potentially assist humans in exploring and colonizing Mars and beyond. The Kepler Bot and the Tesla Bot are both impressive examples of how far AI and robotics have come and how much further they can go. They represent different approaches and goals for the future of humanoid robots, and they could both have a huge impact on society and humanity. Which one do you think is better, the Kepler Bot or the Tesla Bot? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Tools Corner for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.